Good afternoon, guys. In today's lesson, we will talk about accounting terms. So let's start our lovely lesson. So first things first, basic accounting terms. Accounting, recording and analyzing financial transactions. Bookkeeping, day-to-day recording of financial data. Fiscal year, a company's financial year. Financial statements are formal records of financial activity. Audit is official examination of financial records. Income and expenses. Revenue, sales, money earned from business activities. Income, money received, often used like revenue. Expenses, costs incurred to run the business. Operating expenses, called OPEX, regular business costs like rent, salaries. Cost of goods sold, costs to produce or buy products sold. Gross profit, revenue minus COGS. Net profit or net income, profit after all expenses and taxes. Assets, liabilities, and equity. Assets, what the company owns, like cash, equipment, property. Current assets, assets usable within 1 year. Fixed assets, long-term assets like buildings, machinery. Liabilities, what the company owes. Current liabilities, debts due within 1 year. Equity, owner's interest in the business. Share capital, money invested by shareholders. Financial statements, balance sheet, shows assets, liabilities and equity. Income statement, profit and loss statement, shows profit or loss. Cash flow statement, tracks cash in and out. Statement of retained earnings, shows reinvested profits. Cash and payments, cash flow, movement of money in and out. Accounts receivable, money customers owe. Accounts payable, money the company owes suppliers. Invoice, bill sent to customers. Payment terms, conditions for payment. Cost valuation and adjustments. Depreciation, spreading the cost of an asset over time. Amortization, depreciation for intangible assets. Accruals, expenses or revenue recorded before payment. Provisions, money set aside for future expenses. Write-off, recognizing an asset as having no value. Common business phrases. Break-even point, when costs equal revenue. Bottom line, net profit. Financial performance, how well a company is doing financially. Cost control, managing expenses. Profit margin, profit as a percentage of revenue. Exercise 1. Match the term with the definition. Match A to E with 1, 2, 5. Assets, revenue, expenses, liabilities, profit. Money the company earns from sales. What the company owns. Cost of running the business. What the company owes. Money left after expenses. Exercise 1. Matching A 2, B 1, C 3, D 4, and E 5. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks. Use these words. Revenue, expenses, profit, invoice, cash flow. The companies increased because sales were higher this year. Rent and salaries are operating. We sent to the customer yesterday. Good is important to pay suppliers on time. If revenue is higher than expenses, the company makes a Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks answers. Revenue, expenses, invoice, cash flow, and last one, profit. Exercise number 3. Choose the correct answer. Circle A, B, or C. Which document shows assets and liabilities? A. Income statement, or B. Balance sheet, or C. Invoice. Accounts receivable means A. Money the company owes, or B. Money customers owe the company, or C. Company profits. Amortization is used for A. Cash, B. Buildings and equipment, or C. Revenue. Exercise 3. Choose the correct answer. Answers. B. Balance sheet. B. Money customers owe the company, and B. Buildings and equipment. Exercise 4. Business many situations. Write the correct accounting term. So A customer will pay you next month. Money paid for electricity and internet. Machines used in a factory, and the last one, the final profit of a company. Exercise 4. Business mini situations. Answers. Accounts receivable, expenses, fixed assets or assets, and the last one, net profit, or we can say profit or bottom line. That's all for today, and thank you guys so much for watching my videos. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and the next episode will be about accounting terms, but this time it's gonna be a case study. So please stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and see each other in the next episode. Have a lovely evening. Bye bye.